Graphing linear inequalities in two variables. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to graph linear inequalities in two variables. Steps in graphing linear inequalities in two variables. Step 1. Treat the inequality as a linear equation. Then graph the line that represents it. Step 2. Line drawn depends on the inequality used. A solid line when using greater than or equal and less than or equal, while a broken or dotted line when using greater than and less than. Step 3. When we choose a test point and check if its solution or it satisfies the inequality. Step 4. If the test point is a solution, usually we use 0, 0 or the point of origin. Then the solution set is the half plane that contains the point. If not, then choose the other half plane. Take note, the graph of linear inequality in two variables is the half plane containing all of its solutions. Kindly pause the video and copy the steps in graphing linear inequalities in two variables. Let's have these exercises. Directions. Graph the following linear inequalities. 1. Y is greater than or equal to x minus 8. Our step 1 is to write the inequality as linear equations. Therefore, we switch greater than or equal as equal sign. So we have y equals 2x minus 8. And to graph linear equations, we have three ways. First, by table of values. Second, by intercept method. And third, by slope-intercept method. Since the given is in slope-intercept form, we use the slope-intercept method. Y equals mx plus b, where m is the slope, equals 2, and b is equal to negative 8. Therefore, our y-intercept is at 0, negative 8. So to graph the linear equation, plot first the y-intercept, 0, negative 8. Then we use the slope to find the second point. Since m is equal to 2, the denominator of a whole number is always 1. So we have rise over run. Meaning, from 0, negative 8, we need 2 steps upward, 1, 2, and 1 unit to the right. So the given point is at 1, negative 6. Now we will determine what kind of line we will be using. Since the given inequality is greater than or equal, we use solid line. So connect the 2 points using solid line. Step 3, choose a test point. So usually we use the point of origin or ordered pair 0, 0 to test if the given test point is a solution or not. If the test point is a solution, therefore, we put the half plane including the test point. If not, we use the other side of the plane. So therefore, our ordered pair is 0, 0 or point of origin. We use our given y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 8, where the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0. Substitute the value of x and y to the given inequality. Y is 0, 0, greater than or equal to 2, the value of x, which is 0, minus 8. Simplify, 0 is greater than or equal to 2 times 0 is 0, bring down minus 8. 0 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 8 is negative 8. So therefore, this is a true statement. So we put the half plane including the point of origin or ordered pair 0, 0. So that will be the graph of y is greater than or equal to 2x minus 8. Let's have number 2. We have 2x minus 5y is greater than 10. Step 1, we write the inequality as linear equation. So we have 2x minus 5y is equal to 10. Since 10 is divisible by the numerical coefficient of x and y, we use the intercept method to graph the inequality. So to use the intercept method, we need to find the x-intercept. To find the x-intercept, let y be equal to 0. So we have 2x minus 5. Substitute the value of y, which is 0, equals 10. Simplify, bring down 2x minus 5 times 0 is 0 equals 10. 2x minus 0 is 2x equals 10. Divide both sides by 2 to find the value of x. So 2x divided by 2 is x equals 10 divided by 2 is 5. Therefore, the x-intercept is at 5, 0. Next one, we need to have the y-intercept. To look for the y-intercept, let x be equal to 0. Our equation, 2x minus 5y equals 10. Substitute the value of x, 2 times 0 minus 5y equals 10. 2 times 0 is 0, minus 5y equals 10. Divide both sides by negative 5. Negative 5y divided by negative 5 is y equals 10 divided by negative 5 is negative 2. Therefore, the y-intercept is at 0, negative 2. Plot the point first. We have the 5, 0 and 0, negative 2. Next step is to identify what kind of line we will be using in connecting those points. Since the given is greater than, we use dashed line or simply dotted line. So connect the 2 points using dashed line. Next step or the third step is choose the test point. So usually we use again the point of origin or 0, 0. Now, using the inequality 2x minus 5y is greater than 10, our test point is 0, 0, where the value of x is 0 and the value of y is 0. Substitute the value of x and y to the given inequality. 2 times 0 minus 5 times 0 is greater than 10. 2 times 0 is 0 minus 5 times 0 is 0 greater than 10. 0 minus 0 is 0 greater than 10. 0 is greater than 10 is false statement. Therefore, we draw the half plane on the other side of the plane, not including our test point 0, 0. So that will be the graph of the linear inequality 2x minus 5y is greater than 10.